What's up, everybody? It's near the end of July, which means it's time for the Knoxville real estate market update for June 2021, and we're getting started right now. Welcome back to All Things Knoxville with me, Ben Barredo, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. Today, we're going to discuss the most recent housing market data for the U.S. economy and the local market of Knoxville. In this video, we're going to cover those numbers for the month of June. But before we jump into that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. And then share this video with somebody that might, find it interesting or get something out of it. And if you really want to help out my channel and ultimately help out me, my family, and everything, if you're looking for a real estate agent, if you're looking for someone to help you answer some questions in the real estate field, give me a call. My contact information, as always, is below. I'd love to help you out. As always, starting out nationally, the inventory of homes actively for sale in June decreased by 43.1% over the past year. That's a lower rate of decline compared to the 50.9% drop in May. A deceleration in the decline of inventory means that the market is heading in an encouraging direction, but active inventory still remains historically low. The total number of unsold homes nationwide, which is a metric that includes active listings and listings in various stages of the selling process but are not yet sold, is down 20.3% from June in 2020. Newly listed homes grew by 5.5% on a year-over-year basis and by 10.9% on a month-over-month basis. Typically, fewer newly listed homes appear on the market in the month of June compared to May. This year, growth in a new listing is continuing later in the summer season, which is a welcome sign for a tight housing market. However, newly listed homes are still down 14.4% from the typical rate of newly listed homes in 2017 and 2019. The June national median list price for active listings was $385,000, up 12% compared to last year. Nationally, the typical home spent 37 days on the market in June, much less than 72 days during the same month in 2020. Now, let's talk. Starting off with active listings, these are listings that entered the market and remain available. As for June 2021, we saw an increase in the number of choices buyers have for the third month in a row. In short, the inventory or lack thereof is slowly increasing, but still we are at record low numbers. Sales pending or homes that are under contract are similar to the same numbers of last year. We actually had fewer homes pending in June than we did in May. When it comes to closed units, we set a June record. The number of closings that happened in the MLS were record-breaking, and there was a sharp rise in closings after two relatively flat months. July 2020 was all-time record high number for sales, so it will be interesting to see if we set another record this July. Months of supply, although supply was up a bit, demand continues to absorb listings as soon as they hit the market. So it's hard to gauge this metric in a market where homes are just selling as soon as they hit the market. Average sales price was another record in MLS, and we saw a growth of 15% from the beginning of the year. Average days on market continues to decline as we are seeing an increase in cash buyers. Right now, the average days on market is like 2 days. The number of showings took a bit of a jump in June after a couple months of a decline. I believe with more listings available, more buyers set up more showings, and the result will be more closings. Usually we see this number taper off in July, so we'll keep watching it to see if the additional listings keep this number strong. Well, listen, that's it for this month's real estate market update. If you have any questions about the information I just shared with you, or about the market, about buying a home, whatever the case may be, I would love to help you out, so give me a call. I'm here for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a great day.